Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Furious FPV BLX. And I already did peek into it, but that's basically it. With a little LED, and there it goes. Woo! It's so tiny. So cool. Yeah. Ta-da! I have a comparison here. So that's a normal flight controller. And that's a tiny Pico flight controller. It's so cool. Okay, so let's check it out. It has an F3 SCM chip. It has an S-Bus inverter, and it has a 2 amps voltage regulator, 5 volts. So it has all the bells and whistles in such a small form factor. It's cool. Okay, let's get some measurements going. It should be hole to hole about 20 millimeters. Yeah. So let's check it. Yeah, it should be 2.7.09 millimeters wide, and with the USB it's 2.7.62 millimeters long. Okay, height is best measured here, 7.35 millimeters. And what's really interesting is the weight, and that's 2.52 grams. Really cool. Okay, so I will now put this in here and it will be awesome. Thanks for watching and see you in the next unboxing.